To Dad from Katie. I love you. I love you very much, Dad. I love you.
Look at that. What's the red thing they're standing on?
That's the carpet. And this is your cake, Dad.
Wow. That looks so good. It's good.
Mwah.
Oh, wow. Look on the back. Oh, these are like those candy things that I can eat, right?
No, they're not
What?
the candy.
I can't eat these?
Go get in your room and get it.
Thank you, Bug.
Go in your room and get
Thank
your cup.
you, William.
I wish I got more.
Thank you, Amanda.
Go in your
For
room
awesome
and get your
breakfast
cup.
in bed. Y'all served me breakfast in bed. That was awesome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's still awesome. I haven't finished it yet.
Go get the cup.
And there
Go get your
is
cup.
the big
Go get it.
candy Father's Day card. Good grief.
You can eat it.
I can eat the whole thing?